not just about boosting sales or increasing the bottom line, it's about creating value for everyone involved. My name is Ralf Delsing and I completed my Master's at Marketing Analytics at Tilburg University. So here I learned more about data and analytical tools to help decision making that benefit both businesses and consumers. My goal is to make decisions that are both effective and beneficial for all parties, and I always try to validate our findings. So it's not just about spotting patterns, but try to make sure we really understand what is happening. By combining skills from people from various departments, I'm able to solve problems and create insights that not only allow high quality decision making, but also take into account how they can positively impact customers. So what really made the program for me was learning about the variety of analytical methods and being able to apply them to real-world data. In the Masters, the main tools that were being used are R and Python, and I still use these tools daily for data collection and for data analysis. Moreover, the Masters program was super practical. We learned how to collect data through APIs and through web scraping, but also how to analyze data, for instance, through conducting a sentiment analysis. And this helps us now a lot at understanding consumer feedback at a much deeper level. During the studies, I collaborated closely with other students on group projects throughout the program, helping me build a strong network. And this, in combination with the lecturers who are experts in the fields, provided me with a lot of new opportunities and insights from various industry professionals. In my current job at DAF, I'm analyzing both business and market data to provide insights to senior management that drive our decision making, and the practical skills I learned during my Masters I still apply on a day-to-day basis. My advice for future students would be to get hands-on with what you are learning. So try to make use of real-world data and dive into projects that push you to apply your knowledge. What you will find is that the more involved you are with the practical aspects of things, the better prepared you'll be for your thesis and your future career.